It was a long time since Geppetto had been taken to Devil Island. Pinocchio had been searching for the old woodcarver ever since, and now it was winter. With Jack and Willie, the little puppet had come to a small mountain village covered in a thick blanket of snow. It was Sunday morning.
The church bells are pretty, but for some reason they make me feel sad.
You're sad because you miss your father, and the sound of those bells reminds you of all the people who go to church to pray for things they want.
Yeah, and that's what I'll do. I'll go pray to find my father soon.
I'll go pray for spring.
I'll go pray for a really nice lunch. Whoa!
But once they were actually inside the church, the three friends found themselves listening to a sermon.
My children, as human beings, we do not live alone. We live as part of society. In our society, there are those who are strong, and there are those who need help. It is the duty of those who are strong and well to help those who are weaker and less fortunate, to give everything they have. To help one another, to give everything you have. We must not run from sacrifice. We must be prepared to give. When we give everything we have, we receive the riches of humanity. Let us live by these precepts.
Amen. Time to eat.
When we give everything we have, we receive the riches of humanity.
Pinocchio believes you can get rich by giving everything away.
If it'll make him feel richer, he can give me a sandwich.
Nina, you're just too small. It's dangerous.
Huh? Hey, stop! Don't bully a little girl.
Huh?
What?
We have to help those who are weaker.
This fellow's funny. Listen.
Speak when spoken to, woodenhead.
Hey!
Pinocchio sticking his nose where it doesn't belong again.
Listen close, puppet. We're not picking on Nina.
We're going to the town on the other side of the mountain, and Nina wants us to take her with us.
You mean there's another town over there?
A little one like Nina on this trip would be trouble.
A large bear is up in the mountains attacking travelers as they come down the pass.
I have to go to that other town. Please, would you take me with you since I don't know the way? The strong and the well should help those who are less fortunate.
All right, we'll take you with us.
You will? Aw, thanks a lot.
On one condition, which is that you take care of Nina.
Huh? Oh.
After all, we're supposed to help each other when we're in trouble. Well, let's get going.
Come on.
Look it!
What's the matter?
Her arm is broken!
Oh, well, you're too rough.
I don't want a doll that's broken!
You! Poor little doll.
Hey, Puppet, hurry up, they're leaving!
The name is Pinocchio.
Okay, Pinocchio, carry me on your back, okay?
I guess so.
Look, he's carrying her.
For a change.
Now that's interesting. Willie, we have to follow them.
After you, Jack.
For a little girl, you sure are heavy.
Faster!
Poor Pinocchio.
Doesn't that boy ever get tired of finding problems for himself? He's got a head made of oak and a mind made of mud.
Last one to the bottom's a sissy.
For heaven's sakes, hurry up! They're getting away from us!
It's hard to walk in the snow. Ah!
Oh, you are so stupid and clumsy! You just dropped me in the snow!
But it's not my fault.
You stupid rotten puppet! I want to go over the mountain! You better take me there now! I mean it, or I'm gonna beat you till you're in 1,000 pieces!
Oh, my head. Ow.
She's certainly an active one.
Let's hope she doesn't start acting on us.
They're getting away from us! Come on!
It's a long way down.
You're just wasting time, Pinocchio! Now go!
It's steep.
Go, go!
All right, all right.
Whee! You stay back!
That's because I can't slow down. Oh. Somebody tell me how to slow down!
Please! This is fun, Pinocchio! Let's go faster! You ski really well!
I'm not skiing! I'm only...
You ski lousy! You're useless, you know that? How dare that rabbit laugh at me! Bring it over here right now!
He's not hurting us. But he certainly could be a little more polite, that's for sure.
A puppet on skis, you're a fool!
Let's see you do it.
Oh, come and make me!
All right, I will. Come back here, you nasty little beast. Come back. I'll teach you a lesson you won't forget.
Coming?
Yeah, I am, and you're gonna get it.
Come on!
I'll love
You are a wooden-headed fool, Pinocchio. He's right.
What are you doing? There's no time to rest.
We've got to get moving. That bear could be around here.
Huh?
He's not helping me.
Oh, she's really nasty.
Pinocchio doesn't deserve this.
You're a worthless puppet. Straighten out or I'll break you up.
Oh.
What do I do if the bear shows up? I'm very frightened.
I'll take care of things, all right?
What? No, I'll take care of things.
If we should happen to see the bear, Pinocchio will get his attention while we get away.
But what about me?
If you play dead, the bear will leave you alone, Pinocchio.
That sounds scary.
Pinocchio, it's our duty to help each other, remember? Besides, you'll be safe. Bears don't eat wood.
Oh, I'm not so sure.
I'm sure, don't worry. Remember, we have to help each other.
Our duty is to help each other.
Especially when there's something like a big, hungry mountain bear in the neighborhood.
That's when we help each other run away.
They left me. Oh, yeah, play dead. Oh, please, Mr. Bear, you don't want to eat me. I promise I wouldn't taste very good at all. Really, I'm telling the truth. I'd give you indigestion, honest.
What are you blabbering about?
See, I'm not really a human being. I'm a puppet made of wood.
I use trees to scratch on, not to eat. You're lucky you're made of wood and not flesh. If you were human, I'd eat you in a second.
I'm so worthless.
What? You fool! If you respected yourself more, maybe others would too.
Oh, that was a close one, huh? Oh, poor doll. You're just like me. Nobody in the whole world has any respect for us at all.
It being winter and high in the mountains, a blizzard came up. Pinocchio struggled through the blowing drifts.
Oh, I've never been this cold before. What's that? A cabin? I'm saved! I'm saved! It's a cabin! Oh, no one's been here for a long time. I'm tired. Oh, my fingers are frozen solid. Oh, they'll just freeze up again. I've got to warm up somehow. Huh? A fireplace. I need wood. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I hope the others got warm. And I hope Father's warm, too. Oh, Father. Where is Father? I hope he's warm.
Pinocchio!
Huh? No. That couldn't be Father. He couldn't be out in this blizzard. Huh? Father? He's here. Oh, it's you. Oh, hi. Come on in.
Oh, thanks. We're exhausted. We really need to get warm.
Oh, look! There's a fire!
Oh, great!
I'll close this! I'm cold.
Nina, we're lucky to be here.
Pinocchio, how'd you get away from the bear?
I'd have thought you'd just be a pile of splinters by now.
You were lucky.
We got lost in the snow, but still found this cabin.
So cold.
Hey, Pinocchio, we need to put more wood on the fire.
All we have is the table.
I don't care. Go ahead and burn it. We need fire.
Break it up, go ahead!
Will you help me?
No, we're too cold. You're nice and warm. Go ahead and jump on it. Break it up.
Oh, this thing is too big. I can't.
While the travelers warmed themselves by the fire, Pinocchio's thoughts were with Geppetto, somewhere on the other side of the winter storm.
Oh, it's freezing again.
The fire's going out.
There's nothing else that we can burn.
I'm cold. I don't feel good.
Look at Pinocchio. He's fine. He's asleep.
Puppets don't feel cold.
I wish I didn't.
I'm so cold. Make me warm.
We'll try. Hey, Pinocchio.
Huh?
You've got to help. Go outside and find something to burn.
Everything's buried under the wet snow. Nothing will burn.
He is right.
Need wood.
I'm so cold.
If we had just one small log or something.
There's nothing. There's no wood anywhere. We'll freeze in here.
You're right. Wait, there's some wood.
Huh?
Where?
No!
A wooden boy.
Oh no! You wouldn't do a thing like that, would you?
Just a joke. See? I'm kidding.
Really? I wasn't sure.
Uh-oh! Nina! She's really bad.
Nina, talk to me.
So cold. Tired. Sleepy.
Nina, please wake up. You have to wake up, Nina.
I'm gonna go sleep. I'm tired.
If we don't do something soon, she's gonna freeze.
We must not run from sacrifice. It is the sacred duty of those who are strong to help the weak. When we give everything we have, we receive the riches of humanity. The riches of humanity. Humanity, 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 humanity.
Father, I'm the only one who could save Nina's life, and I'll make you so proud of me. It's my chance to become a real human boy. Put me in the fire.
What?
Wake up! Come on, Nina, you can't go to sleep now. Stay awake, Nina, you gotta stay alive. See? Move, like this. Right, move. That's it, yeah. Now look, we're dancing. Come on, dance. There you go, that's it. That's the way. Come on, dance with me. It'll warm you up. There.
Look at that! Dancing can make us warm!
I'm willing to try it.
Let's go!
Meanwhile, outside the storm had stopped, and visitors were approaching.
Listen, a search party.
Hooray! We're safe! Look! There they are! Nina! My darling daughter! My little girl, you're safe. You're really safe.
It's a miracle they lasted through the storm.
Yes, a miracle.
Tell me, son, how did you manage to survive that terrible storm?
We did it by dancing all night long to stay warm, Father.
That's one of the bravest things I've ever heard. You're all responsible for saving Nina's life. You're wonderful.
Oh, we just used our heads. It was nothing, really.
Huh?
Well, I'm never going to forget you saved my daughter's life. Thank you.
None of us will, son. I can't tell you how proud I am. Let's go home.
What a fool I am. I'm still just what I was. Nothing more than a stupid puppet. I'll never be a human. A puppet, that's all I'll ever be.
I'm going to fix her.
You are?
Uh-huh. Thank you, Pinocchio. You showed me what it means to take care of things, so I'm going to fix her.
Really?
Uh-huh.
That's great.
The search party headed back home again.
So long, Pinocchio. Thank you.
Bye. Bye, Nina.
You're a good boy. You really are.
Bye, Nina. Bye. Be careful now.
Look, Pinocchio.
He's all right. Whoa.
Hi, are you guys okay?
Yes.
We're glad to see you're all right.
Oh, I'm ashamed we ran away, but I did get some very good news for you.
We found out that Geppetto came by here in a sleigh, heading down to the southern village.
He did. Let's get going. Time's a-wasting. Let's go.
And without hesitating for even a second, Pinocchio turned and headed for the south village by the sea, where he was sure he would find his father Geppetto.
Gee, he's certainly in a good mood.
Wonder why that is.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
Pinocchio!
Hey, Pinocchio!
Hey, hey, hey.